If words like SIP, mutual funds, NAV, and market ups and downs confuse you, relax. In the next few minutes, I'll explain SIP in the simplest way possible. No jargon, no hype, just clear understanding. So, what is a SIP? The full name is Systematic Investment Plan. Let's break that down. Systematic means you do it in a regular, orderly way. Investment means you are putting money to work to earn more money. Plan means it is a method you decide on and stick to. So, a SIP is a regular, orderly method for investing your money. Most people choose to do this every month. It becomes a habit, just like saving a part of your salary. Think of it like building a Lego house. You do not put all the bricks down at once. You add one brick at a time, month after month. Each month, you decide on a fixed amount of money. It could be rupees 1,000 tons. It could be rupees 5,000. Why does the SIP method even exist? It exists to solve a very big problem for investors. That problem is stress. Many people who want to invest are paralyzed by one question. Is this the right time to invest? They see prices going up and down every day. They are afraid of putting their money in just before a big market fall. Because of this fear, many people wait. They wait for the perfect day. The perfect day is a myth. While people wait, months and years can go by. They end up not investing at all. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The SIP was created to remove this stress of timing the market. With a SIP, you do not have to worry about whether the market is high or low today. Your investment happens automatically on a fixed date every month. Some months you will buy when the market is high. Other months you will buy when the market is low. Over a long period, these purchases average out. You are not trying to be a market genius. You are just being a consistent investor. There is one central idea that makes SIPs work so well. It is called rupee cost averaging. You decide to spend exactly rupees 100 on mangoes every week, no matter the price. Some weeks mangoes are expensive. Your rupees 100 gets you 1 kilogram. The next week, 2 kilograms. Rupee cost averaging works exactly like this. You are automatically buying more when things are cheap and buying less when things are expensive. It means you do not need to feel sad when the market falls. It is like your favorite store having a sale. Over time, this helps lower your average purchase price and smooths out the bumps of the market. Let's say you invest rupees 5,000 every month for 10 years. You plan to do this for 10 years, over 1 year, which is about rupees 160,000. This comes out to a total of about rupees 600,000. This is a significant amount, built from small monthly steps. Let's assume your investment earned an average return of 12% per year. This is not a guaranteed number, it is just an example. Based on this, your total investment value at the end of 10 years could be around rupees 11 to rupees 1,200,000. The extra about rupees 5,600,000 is the growth your money earned. This growth comes from something called compounding. Compounding means your returns start earning their own returns. In the first year, your earnings are small, but as your total investment grows, the earnings on that larger amount also grow. It is like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but it gets bigger and bigger as it rolls. That is the power of consistency and time working together. The magic isn't high returns. The magic is consistency plus time. Small, regular investments can grow into a surprisingly large amount. SIP is not a scheme. SIP does not guarantee returns. SIP is not risky if done long-term. SIP is not only for rich people. SIP is a method, not an investment itself. It is a way of investing regularly and calmly. Wealth building takes time. A SIP will not make you wealthy overnight. It is a marathon, not a sprint. The real benefits are seen over many years, not many weeks. Your SIP money goes into mutual funds, which invest in companies like banks, IT firms, FMCG brands, and more. A mutual fund is simply a big pool of money collected from many people like you. Think of a mutual fund as a shopping basket. Instead of choosing one company, SIP lets you own a basket of companies. This diversification helps to reduce risk. One bad fruit does not spoil the whole basket. Your small monthly investment is spread across dozens or even hundreds of different companies. You become a part owner of all these businesses. Your SIP is your ticket to owning a well-diversified basket of investments managed by a professional. Gentle pause. Starting a SIP is much easier than most people think. The process has become very simple in recent years. Step 1. Get your KYC done. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. This is a one-time process required by law. Provide identity proof like a PAN card and address proof like an Aadhaar card. You can do this online through mutual fund websites, banking apps, or other investment platforms. Step 2. Choose a suitable mutual fund. For beginners, keep it simple, like an index fund, Nifty 50 or Sensex, or a large cap fund. Step 3. Decide your SIP amount and date. Pick an amount you can comfortably invest and choose a date a few days after payday. Step 4. Set up the auto debit, e-mandate. Once approved, the process becomes fully automatic. Your work is done. Now let the system work for you, month after month, year after year. Starting small is better than waiting to start big. The first and biggest mistake is stopping your SIP when the market falls. A falling market means you are buying more units for the same amount of money. Another common mistake is checking the value every day. Check less often, once every 6 months or once a year. Many beginners chase past performance. 1 year's high returns don't guarantee future success. Choose funds with consistent, reasonable returns over 5 to 10 years and a solid strategy. Avoid frequent switching. It adds costs, taxes, and disrupts compounding. Choose a good, simple fund and stick with it for the long term. Only consider switching if the strategy changes or long-term performance is poor. SIP is not about getting rich quickly. It's about building wealth quietly and consistently. Starting small is better than waiting to start big. If this helped you understand SIP clearly, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's scared of investing.